So why am I talking about patriarchy, about gender equality all of a sudden is we are suffering. We have been in a pandemic for the past 1.5 year, and it seems like the pandemic is not going anywhere right now. So, but even in these times, these hard times, where lives are getting lost, people are losing closed ones, you're suffering from both financial, emotional, physical, mental issues. What was prevalent was crimes on the basis of gender, on the basis of race, on the basis of caste, and this intersectionality. Like last year we know that a man was shot due to his gender, due to his not due to his gender, sorry, my bad, due to his color, due to him being a black, he was shot at the like, I don't get it. And a woman in India was raped because she was a woman, first of all, discrimination on the basis of gender, and second of all because she belonged to a lower caste, she was a Dalit. So this intersectional violence on women, this like made me think that even God up there would be thinking that this pandemic might be the most deadliest thing that has ever happened to humankind for today's generation or today's humans. But no. Is it terrorism? No. What we humans fear is inequality, is equality actually. We fear equality. That is why we are committing these crimes. We are committing all those atrocities because we fear equality. Why do we fear equality so much? As a girl, I think that if someday we actually achieve gender equality for both male and female, a female is not going to oppress you. As a female, I think I will never try to pull down the other gender. I'll try to focus on how to develop how to develop and help my gender, how the people who have been oppressed for centuries and people who are oppressed but still have a patriarchal mindset, I'll try to progress them, I'll try to help them out, we'll try to build a stable nation, we'll try to develop as a country in science, in technology, in economy, in finance, everywhere, rather than trying to pull the other gender out. Why is it so hard? Why is there this notion or this need to have one gender superior to the other? Because it is not just men, it's also women. Why is that now feminism has become such a, why does, when you speak about feminism in today's world, like the recent past 3 to 4 years, why has it, when you say feminism, it gives out a negative impact on people? Why? Because there are fake feminists who hate men, who want to oppress male gender on the name of equality, on the name of feminism, on the name of gender equality. You want to oppress men, you want to torture them, even though your kind, that is my kind, our gender has been suffering through these inequalities for so many years. Why do you want to repeat the same thing with the other gender? Why is there such a fear of equality? Because if there is no fear of equality, these crimes should not happen. But somewhere in the mind, in the deep inside, people fear equality. Because why? The question is up to them. Because all I can see what equality is going to give me is more opportunities, more diverse opportunities, more development, self-development, and people's development. All I can see is progress and development when equality happens. But I don't seem to find that thinking in people. Because also when people say to me that I'm not a feminist but I believe in gender equality, let me correct you right there. According to Oxford Dictionary, feminist means someone who believes in gender equality, who believes that both the genders should be equal. But again, coming to this definition also, I'm really not satisfied with this definition, and let me elaborate why. Why do you have to believe in gender equality? Why is it that gender equality is a notion? You have made it a notion that people are supposed to believe in, rather than that it is a simple fact that should exist, that should be the way of this universe. Why are we making it sound like a notion, a theory that someone believes in and someone not? Because that this right there, the definition where you say believes, this word gives them the loophole, gives them the liberty to, render each and every movement, render each and every fight for the equality to waste. Because this is not, let me correct you, that this is not a theory. Gender equality is not a theory. Gender equality is not a notion. Gender equality is certainly not a trend that people should believe in. It's a fact that you need to accept, even if you don't believe in, because that is how this world is going to work, because that is how we'll progress as a nation. We'll never progress if we keep fearing equality, because when we fear equality, that is what gives birth to murders, rapes, terrorism, each and everything in this world. The root cause is inequality among people. So the day we stop fearing equality and trying to embrace it and totally discard inequalities is the day maybe crimes would stop happening. That's my point of view. Signing out for today, and let's see, if I have the time, I'll keep making videos. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay hydrated, important, and just believe in love, be optimistic, and let's smash the patriarchy down with our own ways. I want to appeal to the young girls who are watching this, girls, women, or all the people, specifically to girls, because I don't want you people to take it down. Patriarchy occurs at families at a very basic level. When your mother or father asks the daughter to bring a glass of water rather than the son. So when you start protesting there, that's when you're going to make a change, because these changes, when start happening at grassroots level, is when it is going to bring a big change in the world, in the country, in your lives. So girls, don't take it just because it's a family. Don't take it because they are your friends. Don't take patriarchy from someone just because you don't want to lose their friendship. If they are wrong, stand for yourself. Say they are wrong, because that is how you're going to protect yourself, that is how you're going to progress yourself. And the same goes for men. When women call you out on fake notions, you also call them out. You call all the females out for being sexist. You call all the females out who are trying to use feminism as a weapon to oppress, threaten, or hate men. You call them out. All men and women, all boys and girls, please take a stand for yourself, because when we start making changes at a grassroots level, when I as a girl, when my mother or father asks for a glass of water, I bring them the water, but I also tell them that I'm not bringing it because I'm a girl, I'm bringing it because I want to do it for them, is when you make a change. And when you tell your brother to grab your own glass of water rather than asking me because I'm a girl, that's where you make the change. So, signing out, stay safe, and of course, last but not the least and most important, please get vaccinated and just stay safe, guys. Bye.